Wondering if your fireplace is truly safe? In this video, we'll cover the key things you need to check to ensure your fireplace is safe to use this season. First, start with a thorough fireplace inspection. Look for any visible signs of damage to the fireplace structure or chimney. Cracks or loose bricks can pose a serious safety risk. Next, have your chimney inspected for creosote buildup. This tar-like substance can accumulate over time and become a fire hazard. Hiring a chimney sweep to clean it regularly is essential for safety. Don't forget to check your fireplace damper. Make sure it opens and closes properly for proper ventilation and to prevent carbon monoxide from building up inside your home. Also, ensure your chimney cap is in good condition to block debris and animals from entering. It's also crucial to install smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors near your fireplace to alert you in case of any issues. Finally, have your fireplace inspected by a professional every year. They can perform a more thorough check of your flue, chimney, and ventilation system to ensure everything is in top condition. Following these steps will help keep your fireplace safe and your home cozy all winter long.